Everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to enable or get voice chat on Roblox. First of all, you have to tap on three dots. Now you have to go to in settings, and now you have to click on account info. So in the account info, when you reach in account info, now you have to click on first of all you have to choose birthday of your, and once you choose the birthday, now you have to click on this verify my age. So to verify your age, guys, you have to be prepared with your valid ID like driver license, passport, ID card, and resident permit. And after that, you have to click on this start session where you have to upload your valid ID front and back side, and also it will ask you to upload a selfie. Once you upload both things, now once you upload both things, the congratulation message will appear on your screen and your age will be verified. So I'll show you how it looks when your age is verified. So I have already verified my age on another account, so I'll show you on that. Once you verify your age, just go to in settings. This is my account where my account is verified. My age is verified on this account. So now you just need to go to in privacy. So without verifying your age, the microphone option will not be appear here, and after verifying the age, you will see this option microphone in the microphone with camera input. So you just need to enable the microphone permission from here by tapping on this toggle button, and once you tap on this, the microphone will be used by the Roblox. So you just need to open any game that supports microphone as communication, and one of the game that supports communication microphone as communication is Please Donate. So I'll show you how to confirm if your voice chat is working or not. So once you open the game, you just need to open the game, and so now you have to there is a mic icon will appear on the. So since the mic is using by the Roblox, so I have to will appear on the avatar's head. I have to voice over it in the video editor. So now you can see it started. So to enable it, you just need to tap on the mic icon on the avatar's head. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.